Hello, in front of me I've got skate. In this video I'll show you how to brake. Braking mostly depends on the steering you have set. First let's go to settings and gameplay. Here we've got 3 control presets: Streamlined, Classic and Experienced. To brake you can press circle in Streamlined. Same in other control preset, but sometimes in the preset you've selected you can simply brake by pushing left analog downwards. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.